Thing called the Old Bazaar in Cairo, and it kind of goes something like this. Okay.
Sandbags, windbags, camels with a hump, fat girls, thin girls, some a little plump, slave girls, sold here, $50 lump in the old bazaar in Cairo. Brandy, shandy, beer without the froth, braces, laces, a camel for a month. I bet you look a smasher in the old loincloth in the old bazaar in Cairo. You can buy of anything, thin balls, fat girls, a little bit of string. You can purchase anything you rush, a cloth, a dish, and something for your auntie Nelly. Harum, scarum, what do you think of that? Belly striptease dancing on the mat. Oompa, oompa, that's enough of that in the old bazaar in Cairo. Rice good, very good, what's it all about? Made it in the kettle and they couldn't get it out. Everybody took a turn to something through the spout in the old bazaar in Cairo. Ramadan, Ramadan, everything is style. Genuine, Bedouin, coffee with a frown. Funny little orphanage flowing down the Nile in the old bazaar in Cairo. You can buy most anything, sheet size sandbags walking down the string. You can buy a pomegranate too, a water bag and a little bit of hokey pokey ash wrap, pocket tracks, one straight to there. Dark girls, fair girls, some with ginger hair. I'll be there tomorrow, but I haven't got the fare in the old bazaar in Cairo. I know you belong to somebody new, but tonight you belong to me. Although we're apart, you're part of my heart, and tonight you belong to me. Way down by the stream, how sweet it will seem once more to dream in the moonlight. My honey, I know with the dawn that you will be gone, but tonight you belong to me. Hell is for the way you look at me. Oh, it's for the only one I see. He is very, very extraordinary. He is even more than anyone that you adore and love. Is all that I can give to you. Love is more than just a name for you. Two in love can make it. Take my heart and please don't break it. Love was made for me and you.
A change of pace now. Brian, you want
Now
to
this next song was done specially for a good friend of mine who loves this music. Let's enjoy.
I'd like to say with this one, we encourage you joining in on the chorus if you know the song. I'm sure you'll all know. Even if you don't know the song, just join in on the chorus. Whatever. Yeah. Sing anything, whatever you like. But, okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4.